these things, levels. I'm a level up more down. I'm not argue with you know. But we're going to play the two look match. Because we're going to one different episode. I'm going to have to type that one here so. Yeah. Me bend over me a dance and the fact them show. Me not show my them. Me not show my them. Me not show my them. I have them when me breed and I have them after me done breed. Me not show my them. Me the only girl who come. Me the only girl now have no filter. Me not show my them. Nothing more than my body part. Me not show my nothing. This is my broad back. I know me sit and reduce. I'm up on the injection and the notch turn up to 10. Me no shame on nothing. Me no shame on nothing. Me no shame on nothing. So the fact them want drop out, me have them for me. My fat and I need me have a fat. Me a little bit. And a 2 ball drop out of one wood. And a 2 ball drop out of one wood a fat. Me leg fat. I'm bend over to go drop them because I'm fat. And all fat woman have it. Yeah. So I don't feel like so I don't see me nice, clean, support them come. I don't deal with them out. I pay nice people come here. Doctor, lawyer, nurse, all type of good, clean up woman see me and like me for me and can relate. And so when I come from to me reach where me I go. Me not run joke. Me not run joke. Yeah. Me don't want to come. Oh, Rosealee and don't Bobby show my classmate. Tell me some big and shit bad. Don't come to about, oh, Rosealee no always a body shame the girl like when I want to feel some type of way when I say, oh, always a body shame the girl. Here's some of them no hypocrite. Bumbo. Hypocrite, me no want to have me invitation, you know. Hypocrite. Oh, them always a body shame the girl. And when you're in a cast off, you be gonna stay bad, me know. Dr. Miami they all about. DR surgery they all about. My time for telling already. Me know Michelle. Never heard no man on my phone. Me love me. I'm confident in me. And sometimes I meet some boy in my life. Sometimes I meet some boy in my life. Me no want to duck up and tack up for take them. That's why I stay far from some boy. When I look, me no look. I like me and I love me. Me not think say, me go on a knife 2 times. Me not think me go on a knife. Me go on a knife 2 times. Me not think me want go on a knife go change my appearance. Yeah, boy want me. I run down image. At 2 times I go on a knife. 2 times. 2 times. I see section me get 2 times. So I not think me not go on a knife, yeah, image your boy want me. And so if I don't want me, for me, cause my fun and laughter now, my vibes ways gone. If I want a rubber cut, I'll take it. No for them when me here argue with me. Uno the one big no for uno me here argue with me, the ones big like me, have the same well for fat and a new tone, I cut it off. For turning a smaddy. Me not have to do that. Me natural. If a person can't love you with your flaws, they don't fucking love you. Me not buy love. Genuine love cannot be bought. That's why I do the most by I'm come with my true self. Move. At 2 times ago and that's 2 times ago on a knife. I know it feels. When I get cut on anything bell bottom, I see ya when I come off for the bed. See ya? How I doing it in a mascot? When I go to surgery, I come with a surgery. See ya when I come off for the bed. I have to be able to draw 1 foot. Chat when me have Shan up at Jubilee. I may have Shanta. I want PP. It take me more than 20 minutes to come off of the bed. I turn on this side, I can't turn on that side. I turn on that side, I can't. I never take me look time and draw myself over the bed and draw. I'm going to follow come and say, oh, Father God, thank you. I'm going to take me look time and take me can't even run. See me a creep? I'm going to turn Robocop. See me a? It's a bit time I reach at the bathroom door, but I was leg of the blood clot piece. Me I hold it too long. It take me about 20 minutes to come off of the bed. I mean, I feel hold the pee-pee. I hear hold the pee-pee. And then we hold the pee-pee, you know, so when you hold pee, make a belly bottom hurt and the cut and I need them if I let it go. We are talking about. God don't make everybody perfect. Me stick with my flaws. A boy no want me, so no want me none at all. I hold up people, me say in the world with one hand and 1 foot. One hand, me say handicapped woman married. No hand, no. I'm telling you this. Genuine love cannot be bought. Someone are fix on yourself and still a wreck. Because the world, someone judge was say, uno go do this and do that, and uno man really in a blood clot one. You know, fake. The fast button have no feelings and the stiff press no feelings not in it. No feelings not in that pure water. You know, fake. You know, have appearance. I buy on the bike with appearance, like a figurine. You know, a shelf girl. Figurine, no feelings. You know, come, the fakeness one have come like no feelings and no emotion. Man, I squeeze it and it come like nothing in it. It falls. Me don't no argument with no. My fat underneath my leg real. When I touch it, I feel it. My breast them real. When I touch it, I feel it. Me look back to what I have. When man slap it, I feel it. Me not run down, nothing we don't know. And sunshine girl, if you have woman who may so go do your body, because you're big like me, you can't argue with me. If I see a boy, sunshine, if I see a boy, you have to know you a long time. Or not go down to the world for detail because I don't need to. If I see your boy, you have to know my trademark, long time tap bat. Long time. Sucker the sucker up, long time. Long time obstacle in a man, a long time. I know. I'm not really go down like that. Because I soon know. So I know you come bring them out to me, miss. Leave me and my bag and flap them. Make comfortable with them. Be comfortable with them. Because man is not my life and my salvation. Man is not my life and my salvation. When underneath me have fat, I still can open it out and make your nose no scent now come from under there. No scent. No scent. A man stink we up. Pussy clean itself. A man stink up woman. Sometimes we take some boy make us stink. We never start smell until we start for them. A man make woman stink. A boy I say chat never dey on a blood. We never take a boy they take all the blood clot boy and him coming on the house and take off underpants. Man stink. You think a woman stink, man stink. A man stink up woman. I don't know where you come about. The dopey argue with me. Trick on the whole of we a beggar. And I find them live. Me beg on a privately on screen, them begging an inbox, so them take up charity. The donors, them thank you, Ellis, thank you. I beg to pay all them rent. Why did you get that message, yo? $100 me not gonna give you there, you know. Honestly to God, because number one, we're in an age group. Number two, we're not a friend. And number four, we don't even like you. So here we are, go to mama. You stay over your clean corner. I make me stay in my dirty lane. Me not argue with them. It's a public beggar. Me's a ranker. Me can't have too much frowns a rotten pussy guy like one in a box. I class people for the whole day. That's all I do. When you want to live pan, you don't add in the box and you want to live pan for the whole day. Me don't go do that. Me's a ranker. Me not go with us so cool. You go hold your corner and me one night. End of discussion. I mean, no body send me not about that bitch there. Okay, power tap strat. My best is I'm not say nothing. What top girl Trogan? Chat. My best is I'm not say nothing. Munchi never see me I call a wife. Toto. I'll do you never say nothing. I can't hold it in. That's why I stay afraid. True not leave it. True, top girl not leave it. I'll do my promise to some now, so to Toto me not leave it. I wake up this man and go my good business. And the chat Toffee really left from going on a spoilers to come interrupt my business. What is wrong with her? Eh? I saw no hungry for clout. Toffee wake up this morning with a little boy one beard. Toffee have a one white tip and it dirty. One look a piece of tie up, sitting tie up like she have a brush her teeth. The little boy, the clothes the little boy have me no like this speak me, you know. But that's the truth. The clothes the little boy have on one take off and wash. In a some good breeze, Ariel. And rinse in a some good saffron or suavitel. You have the little boy I walk out the whole upset this morning. So come and chat with me for what? To prove who bad? Toffee, come here. Come here. Me not really do this car. Me a top girl for you. You see the June we know once, but back then, are two different person that. You see the person that you knew back then is two different person that. The person that you knew back then, you not have to know where I go about my business. Me not have to tell you where. And I'm a big problem with me. They do it all the time. This man in chat, my teeth me have to bite. My teeth. I mean a J.I. can dip on the phone. I'm have to bite my teeth. I say J.I. I'm have to bite my teeth. I'm say, me no want swallow the moon and the sun and dark up the whole place. I bite my teeth. And the first time in my life, I say, I grab the word called composure. I grab it so much. I say, I'm never going to follow you up. Because all the while when things are going to happen to me in my life, there comes crosses. It's true. All the while when things and opportunities supposed to come my way, here comes crosses. And we win last month. We can't win that year. We win last year, we now win that year. So you know I'm gonna grab my teeth because Toffee, me not got me's a big grown ass 32-year-old woman older than me. Me not got sit down for compare who bad from who not bad. Because on die for people soon on road and lick enough who can run. Gas station got take out $3 million lawsuit. Me not gonna mind you stinking man, and your two son them. A man who no mind with phone money. Me not gonna mind you, your worthless husband and your two son them. You now get mine senior. I know that you come about. Me not prove who bad from who not bad. Me not prove that no more. Avoid me. You not leave me alone. The internet is free. You what you said to me this morning? Why me don't take a 2-month? Julian said them a big on why you don't take a 2-month break off of TikTok like Shadan. So I never want to brawl this morning. But I never say stinking tough. What you mean by take a 2-month break off of my work? You think me careless? When you work somewhere, you can't tell the boss you take 2 months. That's when you live rough life. And no cure no walk and beg and meet no cure toughy walk and beg. No cure up toughy walk and beg and meet politician, artist, lawyer, doctor, nurse, all type of people. She's a cruff. Because as you no come today, you no come tomorrow, you no put the money to use, you no turn cruff. A man, your mind, kid, family, live as spoilers and we don't live there no more. Toffee, I don't want you to think that I'm the same person back then. I'm a grown-ass woman. The things that you're doing, you need to stop. You're not laughing. Leave me alone. So when you click her live, I want to tell her, leave me alone. Me not pick no problem with you. Me not pick no problem with you. Me not pick no worries with you. Oh, cold-hearted are you? Me see the pie beg. Me see the pie beg. For Mother's Day. And me send Toto up. Me tell Toto to send $100. And in Jamaica, me live, and in Jamaica, you live. I'm going to tell my friend, if send her the month $100, I'm just send $100, man. She can get $115,000 and buy something for her Mother's Day. Still come wine and chat with me this morning. So, Toffee, if me, they take the 2 months of a TikTok, I want me not go find $100 for you when you beg me it. You know, some set of germs. Okay, give them the things that your friend them are, money are them problem. The heights are money. Money are them demise. You know, say me before me reach where me reach, me did have a kiss ass and lick it. I have a kiss ass and lick it before you reach where you go. Money on no demise. You feel like say when I come and you when I see me I go about my business, them this first day you see me I go about my business with the baby, you eat at the same thing, and the second day you do the same thing. We feel like say when I do all of these things, you go bust a man in no toughy, we not gonna look for you because everybody know you from Instagram. I will know you go about work. When you beg today, and your mind, your man a man, enter the money gonna come back and make problem. You don't have to use the money tough we know that. So don't feel like you're gonna come and feel like say you're bad. I feel like you can bad me up. And get a boss of it. You gotta wait until you go beg the money. You gotta wait until you go beg the money. And when you go beg the money, you see when kid done shit and you have it. Cause the time you take a walk a fast with me, you tell your fucking husband when you're married to get off of them bomb clock and you go look work though. You deserve you better. Track from me know Terry and Hamilton. And one man you married out and him name Kid. One man, ask spoilers. One man you married out. One man you married out. One man. Till she beg Spice the money for furniture and married to him. And him no work. I swear him no work, she walk and leech and latch from people. Man she mind. She want money for go get her man. Because if she get $15,000, him have to get 10. Cause grab her for buy, drag her for drink, and him have to clean to every step where he make. I don't know what you feel like, say I don't know your history. I don't want class in a girl. Really, leave me alone, please. Me, I beg you. I beg you to leave me alone. Me attack it publicly, so. And man your mind with your money. Cause you family know your man him no work. And you have to mind him. And when we talk about my man, a tough original my man. And them man they no work. It's all them hours at 2:55. Him come up on the corner, white t-shirt, short pants, clean. Crepe on him put white and clean. I about him and me with a dragon. I used to look at thinking, fly back together come. Kid she get 15,000, I forget 10. If she get 20, I forget 15. If she get $20,000, cause people will see her because I'm going to tell her how tough to work. She walk and breed. And when I'm a toddler, she use them and beg. That the line of work, the old play for her. She soon breed again. And she walk with them when them young and breed. So when she died at Duke Street, when she got at Duke Street and go to one liar office and them say, oh my, come here telling a chat, I want to go dirty the girl, you know. Tough walk with the baby dirty and big. Pampas dirty, Marina white and a dirty foot dirty. So she beg. Are she dirty too? They can't buy one juice. Cause the man the thump out her teeth, you know. The man the thump out the fast teeth, so. You can't buy one juice. Eat the baby outside and walk out the whole lot. Me not add nobody. Nobody me not add. No work, so work me there. Me not add nobody. Attack me attack. Work me there. Toughy use the baby, dirty, I walk and beg the whole Jamaica. I want you beg and get it, kid she mine. Toughy release me. He said if you'd have sense and follow you in a life, you'd have read some in a life. A man no cherish. Some look a dead cocky boy can never fuck on the right. We have to use them old and scoop it up on the wall for breed. Go ramp with me. Come remember my mouth nasty. And some deadwood boy on the day with. We have to scoop up the mouth for putting on. We have to scoop it up with spoon, putting on the wall for the breed. And man, you would be a rich girl in her life. Come here and tell us she's lucky. She's lucky. Sunshine can always class me a diamonds me I worry about. Tell her that. Sunshine cannot me and I don't know back and forth a diamonds me I worry about. The diamond on the board. Me not private beggar like them. Sunshine can class if I'm no till a man and the diamonds me I worry about. So I see the screener card page post, I'm just block the screener card page because I don't want to see it. I'm scroll past it. And a diamonds me I worry about. Don't have a shake, I mean, I nah do not back and forth, I mean, I get no clout. I have said what I have said already. I don't want to hear me, I go sub back my life, no come tell me that. A different something I talk about. A different something I talk about. Them I look back and forth. Shall look new donors. Me not depend that. Me not send nobody over there. Me not on a tour. A different something I talk about. Tell them talk about sunshine doll. Block them. Coming on the one to the sub. Don't talk. We don't call those people's name over here. True. Tough is a lucky girl. A man. Them put before everything. Who know tough in war? 5.6K people there. So who know tough in war? Tough is a lucky girl. We meet all type of people and ask things and get a man them put before them. Tough you have Talia, she have chocolate. She have kid and she have the last one. 4 pitney she have. She give her Talia and she sell chocolate to one liar woman. Tough you meet one nice man one time. And the man said to her, the man buy a whole of furniture, pure good furniture put when she live on a James Street. All the man said to her, you know if you have no man, the man if you come in your yard. I catch man, come catch man run a yard and left her. Them always lucky to meet people, but what man of them demise. Toughy don't blame me if you're unsuccessful because you make kid them out your money. This kid them out, a man turn her in a cruff. The boy can't cruff me out. I say me do with a boy, I'm say ends can meet. I'm gonna meet the next boy, I'm gonna say ends can blood clot meet me. I left the boy for your boy where ends can meet. Yeah. Cause me move from good, better than reach best. Me nah, they are good and left and good and take worse and worse and worse and worse. Me I left from good, better, best. Them reach all amazing. You know now play the same ball game. A man have phone of demise. Cause I could have never, you know, if I went tough and kid there, for me a little girl. More than 20, me and that man do 12 years. So it look too much. Because me's a public figure. And on behalf of my behavior, which is rotten most of the time, I'm not gonna lie, they know what to trigger me. So they pick an argument over and over. When I see them, a long time she over there talk about me, I know I'm not here, listen to her. I not argue with them, miss. One thing after go ring out the deepest part of your mama anywhere she there. Whether she dead or she alive, me not argue with you. Me gonna make you pick with span some of this and them come take you and ball out the deeds cause the whole away of it. And if you imagine a skeleton in your closet was soaked with lime, me not argue with you. That's exactly what they want. Because what? Them not gonna ever say I meet you with Rosealee. Now one person alone me here come over here come talk. I never respect her to the ground and I done. Dance and me trouble Rosealee with me and argue. Done. None of them not gonna start them trouble. Me not see this woman from me, no know her from nowhere. Me not argue with the germs. Leave me alone. Apart from my back. They want me sitting over here so and incriminate, what the word them, criminalize myself. So I don't live nowhere, I don't give up my youth. I live in a residential area. So when me live in a residential area, where you want me over here cussing and argue for? No tell me no sunshine. Because I really want to say, I live in a residential area. Government have up and watch. Like I have neighborhood watch. What you really want to come in and argue with me for? I don't know you. I never tell you say yeah, black, pink, blue already. Leave me alone. You want me to send my minions them on you? You want me to send them me? You want me okay, for them. Let me get to you. You gotta take on some platform. Come in know true I go rub you. Bakastan I go nyam you. And Jules them I go stab you up. I say when Bella say all of this, Bella go make her 2-2. And other people go shoot her right down. Yeah. No worry, boo. I don't have to say a word. No worry. They all have a motive to see me go down. You don't know, see that. When me and this woman have, me not have nothing at all. But if I'm what she over there chat, I not look upon the first shot talk. I'm over here so last night and yesterday I danced and been over and I need my fat. So and I need my got flesh. Me not gonna hide that. Why are you so obsessed to zoom up and I need me show? What is that? Remember what is that? And I need my fat, I got fat, my fat. And I need me got fat. My leg them are fat. When a fat person have legs, you're gonna automatically see it. It's not 2 balls. What are you doing? You're a woman. And then you want people to really sit down and give them, you know, them hard work to donate to what? You know, it's a thief. Because all me hear you sit down and do one discriminate woman and say a kid fundraising program, I couldn't get my dollar. Go suck a hood bitch, I go look at work. Me don't know if I'm not, me not trouble you. Me don't know if I'm not, me not leave me alone. Back in the days, there's a comment about, oh, and their body shaming her, leave me alone. Me not shame my body. Because me not tack up and cut off shit. Me not go under no more knife unless me have my last pitney. I promise me. Anybody don't want me, so go on. Oh. Don't think I do I lose some weight. So my clothes them can't fit me. Me nah run down figure. As so Father God ban me, I eat boss me, I eat my war within the years. I eat keep me alive, my confidence don't have, me nah put on a figure. All I want do I lose some weight, so I put on my clothes, them can't fit me. Me only know in a story, leave me alone, avoid my miss, me not trouble you. You reach and I need my bumbo. You're too fake. And then you want ladies. You want ladies and them good clean job. For still long work them money. I donate to you, no a thief. Yeah, hungry and foreign, possess, obsessed. Junk and germs.